Hello everyone at welcome back dito sa True Honest Online Loan App Reviews. At ngayong video na ito, ang gagawin natin ay tignan natin kung ano ang update sa list of recorded online lending platforms. Ngayong October 8, 2024. Updated po ito ngayong buwan po ito. Bali, ito po ay yung mga OLA o yung mga online lending apps na nasa listahan ng recorded ng SEC, at isa-isahin po natin ngayon kung ano-ano yung mga rehistrado ng mga OLA ngayong taon na ito at itong buwan na ito. Hindi po ito yung mga revoke ibig sabihin meron po itong mga license to operate. Ibig sabihin meron silang lisensya para mag-operate, at hindi po ito yung mga na-revoke na OLA, kundi yung mga may mga registered na license na mga OLA. Okay. Number 1, Acom Consumer Corporation, Acom po. Number 2, Advanced Tech Lending o Advanced.ph. Number 3, Aeon Credit or Aeon Credit Service Mobile App. Number 4, N Financing Corporation. Itomo po ang OLA na yan. Number 5, Armorac Lending Incorporation. Ang OLA po niya is Ayudas and WeLoan. Number 6, Asialink Finance Corporation, Asialink Mobile CRM App. Number 7, Asia Source Financial Incorporation, Motorcycle Loan. Asteria Lending Incorporation, asteria.com.ph. Number 9, Buena Vista Financing Corporation, bfcloans.ph. Number 10, Cashmart Lending Incorporation, cashmart.ph. Number 11, Cashbee Lending Services o Cashbee. Number 12, Cashmam Lending Investors Corporation, Cashmam. Number 13, Cash Express Southeast Asia, cashexpress.ph. Number 14, Saymarge Financing Incorporated, cifph.com. Number 15, Sepat Credit Financing Incorporation, sebatcreditfinancing.com. Number 16, Code Block Lending Incorporation. Ang mga OLA po niya is K-Peso, O-Peso at OK-Peso. Number 17, Convenience Cash Lending o Zada Cash ang kanyang OLA. Corp Lending Investor Corporation, Corp Fund Facebook account use for marketing purposes only. Number 19, Crawford Micro Lending Technologies, crawford.com.ph. Number 20, Creditable Lending Corporation, Easy Peso. Number 21, DF Credit Lending Corporation, Funpera. Number 22, Digido Finance. Ang mga OLA po niya is mga UnaPay, UnaCash at Digido. Number 23, Discovery Credit Solutions, Discovery Credit, CYSCSC. Number 24, Dolphin Lending Investor Incorporation, PesoGo at Microloan. Number 25, Easy Cash Lending Company Incorporation, Easy Cash. Number 26, eBarrow Lending Corporation, Halika Cash at Taga Cash. Number 27, Educ for All Lending, www.invested.ph po ang kanyang OLA. E-Generation Lending Corporation, number 28, at ito po ay ang Mr. Cash. eSquire, number 29, eSquire.ph. Number 30, Passcoin Lending Corporation, Coco Peso po, CashGuard at CashCow po ang kanyang OLA. Number 31, Fcash Global Lending Incorporation. Ang kanyang mga OLA ay Passcash, Fcash, Passcash BIP, Passcash Loan. Number 32, Fido PH Lending Corporation. Ang kanyang mga OLA ay Fido PH at www.fido.ph. Number 33, Finance Technologies Incorporation. Ang kanyang OLA ay PitaCash. Number 35, Per Circle Growth Finance Corporation, percircle.ph at percircle. Parehas lang naman. Okay, pakita ko naman sa inyo yan. Number 36, First Digital Finance Corporation, Balikbayad, Bilis, FDFC, at Lone Ranger. Number 37, Flash Cash 101 Lending Corporation, Bali Loan, Lemon Loan. Number 38, Fuse Lending Incorporation, G Credit. Number 39, Global Dominion Incorporation at gdfi.com.ph. Yan po yung kanyang mga hawak na mga OLA. Yung nakasulat na po diyan, yung mga Moneymax, iMoney, Pilcoche at Autodeal at GoDrive.com. Okay, number 40 po tayo, Golden Legacy Lending Corporation, SSS.Golden Financing, OLAP, Golden Financing at goldenfinancing.com. Number 41, Grab Financial Services Philippines Corporation, number 60 po na number 41 yan, Grab Finance at Grab Finance website. Number 42 po, HC Consumer Finance Philippines Corporation, My Home Credit. Number 43, Hyphen Lending. Ang hawak na OLA ay Peso Wallet, Credit Cash. Number 44 po, Hufan Lending Technology. Ang hawak po niyang OLA ay Cashme, Easy Loan, Suki Loan at Cashwow. Number 45, iDirect Finance Company, Direct Loan po. Number 46, iPan Lending Corporation. At ang hawak ng OLA ay Madalone. Number 47 naman po tayo, Inclusive Credit Lending Corporation, Pinoy Peso. Number 48, Jungle Lending Incorporation, jungle.com. 49, Kayamo at Last The Lending Corporation, kayamo.com.ph. Number 50, Kidmanch Lending Incorporation, www.facebook.com Kidman. Number 51, King Cash Lending Investors Incorporation, Instacash. Number 52, Kusog Pera. Ang hawak po niya ay ang Kusog Pera at ang Snap Pera. Number 53, Kibico Lending Company Incorporation, Kibico. Number 54, Lip Gen Lending Incorporation, Peso House. Number 55, LF Lending Services Corporation, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Number 56, LHL Online Lending Incorporation, pautang online and pautang peso. Number 57, Link Credit Lending Investors Incorporation, iPeso at Peso In. Number 58, Lone Star Lending Group Corporation, lonestarlending.com. 59, Lucky Shell Fintech Lending, Lucky Peso, May Pera at Mi Peso po. Number 60, Magician of Money Lending Corporation is Pera Mo. Number 61 po, Mali Lending Corporation, Mabilis Cash. Number 62, Masaganang Buhay Finance Philippines. Ang hawak po niya ay Peso Loan. Number 63 is Microdot Lending Corporation. Ang hawak po niyan, mga OLA is Credit Cash, Credit Peso, Cash Baka, Cash Mabilis at Go Peso. 64, Moneycat Financing. Alam niyo na yan, Moneycat. Number 65, Mr. Angel Credit Corporation, QLO Quick Loans Online. Number 66, My Cash Lending Investors, Paghiram, Peso Online at PH, Packet po ang My Cash. Number 67 po, My Loan Lending Investors Corporation, Peso Cash. Number 68 po, Neuron Credit Financing Company, Atome.ph. Number 69, New Cross Credit Financing Gate PH, Uploan PH. Number 70, Infinite Lending Corporation, infinite.com.ph. Number 71 is Online Loans Pilipinas. Alam nyo na yung online na yan. May website at mayroon ding apps. Number 72, Palo Financing, Casyalo. Number 73, Pera 247 Lending Corporation, Pera 247. Number 74, Perajet Lending Corporation, Perajet. Number 75, Peso Ready. At syempre ang OLA niya is Peso Ready. Number 76, Philippine Cash Trout Lending Corporation, Peso Mio, Mukasa at Casyoyo. Number 77, Philippine Rock Financing Corporation, Pesos.ph. 78, Philippine Top Platinum Lending Corporation, Prime Loan. Number 79, Philippine Business Lending Corporation, B+. Number 80, Plentina Lending at yung OLA niya is plentina.com at Plentina. 81, Prima Fintech Philippines Lending Corporation, Light Credit, Peso Packet at Prima Loan po ang kanilang OLA. Number 82, Prime Global Finance Corporation, PG Finance. Number 83, Quark Financing Corporation, Madali Loan. Number 84, Radio Wealth Finance Company Corporation, Loan Application Portal via RFC website. 85, Right Choice Lending, My RCF at My Right Choice. Number 86, Royal Yuhu Lending Investors, Happy Pera 2. Number 87, Rusco Lending, Radio Advertisement and Billboard Streamer for media purposes only, for marketing purposes only. Number 88, Score One Financing Corporation, ePerash. Number 89, C-Money, Pay Later at ang S-Loans po ang hawak niya, yung sa Shopee. Number 90, Singularity Lending. Ang hawak po na OLA is El Peso at Peso Plus. Number 91, Snap Cash Lending Incorporation. Ang mga OLA ay Masaya Cash, Peso to You, Cash ni Juan, Peso to Go at Jet Peso. Number 92, Sophie Lending. Pinbro po ang hawak niyan. 93, Street Corner Lending Corporation is Akulaku. Number 94, Suki Financing, sukifinancing.com. Number 95, Sumisyo Motor Finance Corporation, Sumisyo. Number 96, Sumulong Financing. Ang hawak na ola is Go Peso, Grab Peso at Pass Peso. Number 97, Super Space PH Lending is Peso Here at Peso Kwento. Number 98, Supreme Money Lending Corporation, Supreme MK. Number 99, Tala Financing at syempre Tala ang hawak na ola. 100, Temple Tech Finance Corporation, ang hawak niyan is Tendo Pay. Number 101, Trip Platinum Lending Corporation is More Gold. 102, Toyota Financial Services Philippines Corporation, Toyota Financial Services. 103, Treasure Bowl Fintech Lending Corporation is Wow Pera and Zip Peso po ang ola. 104, Unistar Credit and Finance Corporation, Fun Easy Website. 105, U Peso Lending Investors Corporation, Peso Q. 106, Bamo Lending Incorporation, Bamo. 107, Vidalia Lending Corporation, Vidalia App. 108, Warm Cash Lending Corporation, Honey Loan. 109, Wifan Lending, Juan Hen. 110, Wing of Integrity Lending Corporation, Bene at Isibaro. 111, si Cash Lending Corporation, si Cash Lending. 112, Y Finance Incorporation, Loan Champ. 113, Winshan Lending Corporation is Happy Cash. At ang pinakahuli is 114, Yulon Finance Corporation, Yulon Finance Website. Okay, yan po yung mga SEC registered ng mga online lending platform as of October 8, 2024. This year po yan at yan po yung mga updated na mga may rehistro na mga OLA. So sana nakatulong po yung video na ito para malaman nyo kung ano yung mga OLA na nautangan nyo at rehistrado. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa muli.